Kochi, the Queen of Arabian Sea, known as India's gateway to the Middle East and Gulf countries. Kochi has been center of attraction from time immemorial. The Arabs, Chinese, Dutch, British and Portuguese seafarers who came into the city over centuries found Kochi as a paradise where their dreams came true. And today, Kochi is that special place that gives wings to the dreams of those who pursue excellence. For many such brilliant minds, one name happens to be the perfect launchpad where their ambitions and aspirations take off to new horizons. Starship Aviation Academy, promoted by Starship Group of Institutions, the large group in South Asia for imparting training in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering. Founded in 1991, Starship Group took roots from the seed of a simple but singular idea to address the ever-rising demand for technical professionals who can keep pace with the change in technical landscape. Starship charted out a path to impart high-quality technical education in the fields of pilot training, aircraft maintenance engineering, aeronautical engineering, aviation management courses, air hostess training, engineering courses in different disciplines, various post-graduation and graduation level courses. Located just opposite to Cochin International Airport, the fourth largest international airport in India, Starship Aviation Academy was instituted in 2007 and approved by Director General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. Starship Aviation Academy is known as one of the best aircraft maintenance engineering colleges in India for its dedicated and experienced faculties, stimulating educational environment, state-of-the-art infrastructure with one of the best DGCA results. Offering aircraft maintenance engineering for both mechanical and avionics streams that is approved by DGCA, Government of India.
I am studying here in Starship Aviation Academy, Kochi. I am very much interested in aircraft and its part. So after 12th, when I researched about this course, so I got to know about Starship Group of Institution, which is very wide and it is Asia's biggest group of institution in aviation, and it provides A.M.E courses and pilot training courses. I was here since last 4 months and I got to know about that the faculty is very skilled here and they provide very much facilities like libraries, labs, hangars and live aircrafts. Here the teachers are providing theoretical knowledge with the practical knowledge as well, which is very much helpful in our future purpose in our jobs and careers.
To shade up skillful aircraft engineers who are proficient in their field, Starship has put in place digitally smart and air-conditioned classrooms that facilitate better comprehension, learning and reiterate the fact that technology is now an integral part of the teaching system. The Academy presents students with numerous opportunities to face the industry head-on by way of industrial projects that expose them to the state-of-the-art technology. In addition to well-equipped laboratories, Starship also boasts of various workshops related to aircraft system that aim at providing uncompromised training to A.M.E students.
We act on dreams of each and every student into reality by not only providing them finest technological knowledge, but inculcating their personality to face the challenges of industry.
To inculcate better understanding among students and improve their practical knowledge, the Academy has set up a fully fledged aircraft hangar that is filled with plenty of synthetic working mock-ups along with fully running Learjet 25B and Cessna 150 aircrafts. But that's not all. As part of Shashib Academy's guiding principle that puts on undivided focus on each student's individual development, the Academy has employed highly qualified faculty members who have international exposure, with students and guardians being encouraged to have continuous interaction with the faculty. A seamless understanding of the student's progress is all but guaranteed.
In Shashib, we provide the excellent education for aircraft maintenance engineering course. We have the students across the nation, right from the Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Assam and Manipur. They all have a homely atmosphere here, the joyful atmosphere in Kochi, in Kerala, the land of God.
An aircraft maintenance engineer, for lack of a better word, is the fitness expert who is licensed to ensure the airworthiness of the aircraft before flying in accordance with the national and international aviation standards. A.M.E. is a job profile with high dignity and responsibility as it deals with the well-being and protection of aircrafts and its passengers. Only those students should join this course who have the ability to face the challenge in passing all the DGCA modules, examinations, and acquiring necessary maintenance experience in order to get the A.M.E. license conducted by DGCA Government of India. Shashib Aviation Academy offers CAR 147 Basic Aircraft Maintenance Engineering course for both mechanical and avionics streams as per DGCA guidelines. To apply for the course, the applicants must have completed their +2 with physics, chemistry and maths or diploma in engineering or its equivalent from a recognized board or university. Also, the applicant must be medically fit.
Here you will not only be treated as a student but as a part of our Shashib family. Students come here from different parts of the globe, so you will enjoy here the unity in diversity.
As it is said, seeing is believing. To impart better understanding among students and improve their practical knowledge, a functional aeroplane is placed within the institute, and SAA has associated itself with Air India in order to give better hands-on practical training to their students. Not only this, Shashib Group has its own 4 aircraft maintenance repair and overhauling organizations under CAR 145 at various locations across the country, and also 3 more new airports are to be added in the coming years. Aircraft maintenance engineers are recruited in various national and international airlines.
We specialize in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering, covering all the subjects in modern technologies used in modern aircraft. We also have partnered with Air India, which give them exceptional practical skills wherein they can develop their knowledge in these modern aeroplanes. So, welcome again to Shashib Group, Shashib Aviation Academy in Kochi, and feel at home.
Today, Shashib Aviation Academy is one of the most preferred organizations for aircraft maintenance engineering aspirants in India. More than that, Shashib happens to be the wind beneath the wings of many who aim to reach for the sky. Shashib Aviation Academy, where dreams take wings. For more details, log on to www.saakochi.com or call us at 91122 92939.